This is my Ipsy review for my box this month. My box.
Girl, what did you buy now?
Hey guys, let's talk about what's inside of my Ipsy box because it's one of my favorite things. It's like a reward. Like I know I paid for it, but let's see what we have in here. I love Ipsy because I feel like I get my bang for my buck. Like every time I get my box, I'm like, ooh, yeah, I'm gonna use that. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna use that. And I usually do a couple add-ons, but it's because I stop giving me discounts. Okay. Not really, because I'm a frugal girl. Yes, I am. Anyway, so my first item is Drunk Elephant's multivitamin eye cream. Yes, multivitamin eye cream. Say that 17 times. Don't repeat it after me. Anyway, Drunk Elephant, I love their brand. I always hear really good things about them. And I'm realizing the more I get into skincare, how important it is to take care of the skin around your eyes, especially as I am, getting older. I'm a couple of months from 50, on top of the fact that I'm going through perimenopause and just your body reacts so different to the things that you thought were going to work for you, on top of the fact that I just drink my water and mind my business. But hey, little eye cream that hurt nobody. So the next thing inside of my box was this Milk Kush Lip Oil. And I was really interested in it, especially because it's green. And I was like, y'all know I don't do no recreational gardening is what I don't do. However, I thought it was matcha, but it's not. It smells good though. It really does smell good. And I don't want to put it on and then mess up the lipstick, but I can't wait to try that. This will be really nice over top with like just a nice little lip liner. What else is in this box, y'all? This Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush by Rare Beauty. I don't purchase many things from Rare Beauty. It's just not my brand. However, I saw this really pretty blush and was like, I think I want to try that out. And it is just a cute mauve. I'm always looking for ways to, come on, come on. That's a pretty color. I'm always looking for ways to take blush and apply it to my eyelid because I feel like a lot of the blushes that are out right now are really pigmented and they work so well as eyeshadows, and or if you are a person who's just looking for like a very dewy look, I love a good blush for that. It makes me so happy. Okay. This is R.E.M Beauty. This is an eyeshadow. You see how pretty and sparkly that is? And I was interested in this one because this has such a pretty, you see how I didn't pay attention, but you see how they both are going to be so pretty together? Because I'm going to put this blush down and then use this nice eyeshadow as a pop in the middle. I'm so excited. Okay. Hello, R.E.M Beauty. Thank you again for giving me such a great product. I really do like R.E.M Beauty. Um, I haven't had anything from them that was trash. Not at all. Okay. What else do we have in here? R.E.M Beauty. And this is their lip oil, a tinted lip oil that I really just liked. And again, I think I'm just down with these fall colors because it's just the lightest tint. It's not going to do anything crazy. It's not doing any woo woo. It's very demure. All of these are very demure, fall like. Because I know that in the fall, I love blacks and browns. Every once in a while, I'll wear cream or something like that, but I like really dark colors, plums, just super deep colors. So I'm always looking for ways for my makeup to wake up the look that I have. Kulfi, this I believe is a staining lip oil. This fig, look, I'm telling you, fall colors just make me so happy. I love spring and fall colors. They're just so beautiful. And look, that is, and it is absolutely, I think it may even have plumping in here because it's going to stay on them lips, is what I'm telling you. And I'm always looking for that. So I think I've tried Kulfi, maybe a lipstick, maybe back in the day, but I haven't used any of their recent products. And because I'm a glutton for punishment and I'm always trying to do an add on, I went and I purchased Morphe's eyebrow pens because they have been really working for me. And this time I purchased cold brew and chocolate mousse because I'm like, I love a good faded eyebrow, but I love a dark eyebrow. I have never dyed my eyebrows, but I have plucked them to death. And thank goodness they're growing back with a little bit of lash serum and some prayers because there were sorrows, sorrows, and prayers with these lashes for a bit. Anyway, I mean, with these eyebrows for a bit. But that is what I purchased this time around with my Ipsy. And I am very happy with my products. I'm very happy with my products, but we'll see what happens because y'all know if you a membership girly, they're gonna send you an email. And what's gonna happen when you get the email? You're gonna click on it and be like, oh, maybe I need damn Ipsy. Y'all always convincing me that I need some more stuff that I don't need. Imma see y'all in 2 to 3 business days anyway. So what was your favorite product in your Ipsy box? Because for me, my favorite product so far in this particular Ipsy box will be my Morphe eyebrow pencils. I'm ex this Drunken Elephant, eye cream, I'm excited about that. I'm also I'm kinda excited about this Rare Beauty yeah, this Rare Beauty blush. I'm a little bit excited about that. I like how it's drying down, and I feel like it's just going to be with some setting powder, so I'm gonna take look at that. That's the blush, and all I have to do is take that, add a nice powder that kind of matches that so I can set it, and then I'm good for the whole day. Plus, I love something where let's see, a little micellar water and everything's gone. And yes, because I love makeup that stays all day, but when I wanna take it off, I need you to go home. I need you to go home. Anyway, those were my picks for my Ipsy box this time. It was the Drunken Elephant eye cream, the Rare Beauty blush. R.E.M products really be y'all playing with me. Y'all think I won't be using y'all, but I really will. And my Morphe my Morphe eyebrow pencils. I just love my Ipsy box. I just love my Ipsy box. It's just good. Anyway, y'all be good. Bye.
Girl, what did you buy now?